So go to chapter 8. Efficiency. Why do we have to be efficient? Stop writing this, I said. Why do we have to be efficient? We need to be efficient because we have scarcity. There's always the problem of scarcity. So we need to manage our resources. Why do we have to manage resources? If we are unable to manage resources, then there's no sustainable development. It means those coming after us will not be able to meet anything. Do you get the point I'm making here? There should be sustainable development. We should be able to manage resources. Because if resources were not managed, the generation before us would have finished them. Do you get the point? We wouldn't be able to meet anything. So because we are able to meet, then we should also be efficient enough to stop that, please. I said you stop right when I'm talking. The point is you stop while I'm talking. That is just the normal rule. Stop while I'm talking. So if we don't manage these resources well, the generation after us will not meet a dime. So that brings about efficiency. So I wrote, the market forces of demand and supply decides price. That is about price mechanism. The main reason for this is due to the problem of scarcity. The next time, I'm going to kick you out. The main reason for this is due to the problem of scarcity. The market forces then decide. Then decide allocation. Sorry, I don't know. The market forces then decide allocation of resources. Please. Decides allocation of resources. So the market forces will decide the allocation of resources, which means they need to be efficient. How do they decide allocation of resources? They do it through the price mechanism, demand for and the supply of. So as soon as before this will be done, they need to ask the fundamental economic question, because there's economic problem which need to be solved through fundamental economic questions. What to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce to. Because we want to be efficient, it means we should, at any point in time, produce goods that are important, that are needed for the economy. We should not waste resources. That is what efficiency is about. We should not waste resources. Do you understand what efficiency is here? So that's for the economic question. So for efficiency itself, I wrote, it is concerned on how resources are well managed to produce a given result. There's always going to be what we need to attain or what we need to achieve. If we are able to achieve these things in the course of production, then that means we are efficient. Get the point here? When we are able to use resources in a way that will give us a required or deserved result, that is efficiency. So we have different types of efficiency. We have dynamic efficiency, we have allocative efficiency, and productive efficiency. So in the next class, we'll start talking about each of these efficiencies.